All right, guys, I'm here with Cleve. We're going to take a ride in his Q50. Say what's up to the channel, Cleve. What's your Instagram? Where can you find more information?
My Instagram is toofitty. It's TOO_FIDDY.
All right.
Yep.
All right, we're going to check out that ride real quick. Right. So, I guess safety first.
Oh, always.
Seatbelt.
Always. And I don't go crazy.
All right. All good, man. I've never been, well, I've been in a Q50 once. Not rental, but loaner.
You can put your seat back if you want.
Oh, I'm good. I am good.
All right. Let me show you the wireless.
Oh, snap.
I got connected first.
So this is
JB4 burger tuning. Basically, it's a glorified boost controller.
okay then. Right. Because the car is boosted.
Yes.
So you've got some stuff going on.
Yeah, I can just choose map 6.
Okay.
Ready to go.
All right. So tell me about the car.
It's a 2016 Q50. I got AMS intakes, AMS coolant expansion tank. All the hoses are silicone by Z1.
Okay.
I got a Mishimoto oil catch can and HKS blow valves.
Okay. Awesome, man.
And so it's a Frankenstein exhaust. It started off as a Stillen, but because I got a Blitz diffuser,
Okay.
they chopped it up to make the arc exhaust tips fit in there.
All right. So it's like a one-on-one.
One-on-one, yeah.
One-on-one setup. Okay. I got you. Yeah. Since we're giving out test rides and stuff, I figured, let's see what's going on. What's going on here? All right. Ooh. I heard that blow off. Yep. Nice. Very nice. So rear-wheel drive model?
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive.
Oh.
Put 401 to all 4 wheels at
Nice.
counter speed.
Nice.
This part was serious.
Yeah. It's like all-wheel drive is where it's at right now.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Actually, I was supposed to go to Import Showdown, but they canceled it.
Okay, because of the rain.
The rain.
Yeah.
I wanted to see what's going to go on the track.
Yeah. Man, I need to get my car ready again and just go for shits and giggles. I've got a red convertible, G37 convertible.
Oh, that was yours?
Yeah.
I saw your wife with the car.
When was that? So I didn't bring it today.
No, I was there with Brandon. Brandon had to do something. He painted the wheels for you?
Okay. At one point, yes, that's correct. Yeah, he did. Nice, man. Yeah, it's all sketchy with the rain now.
Yeah, it is.
But it's all good, man. So this is what, this is not a Red Sport.
No.
Okay.
This started off as a premium.
Okay.
And,
did some upgrades.
Yeah. I don't like the Red Sport because the Red Sport got the turbine sensors.
Okay.
Which makes it hard to, and later down the line to swap out the turbos.
Right. Okay. All right. Nice. So this is your power map.
That was my
Map 6. Map 6 is your power map?
Yeah, power map.
Okay. Sweet. Always stop. Nice.
Then I swapped out the. See, me and that other. I got the TK Titan shift.
Right. VJ has
Yeah, VJ. Yeah.
has the TK stuff.
And I swapped out the steering wheel.
Okay. Nice. Yep.
I got a shift boot too.
Yep. Some match. So Alcantara.
With leather.
Yep.
With the red center.
Right.
Alcantara.
Nice.
I got the
Oh, the
neck pads.
Yeah, the neck pillows. Yeah. However those works. Yep. Very nice. So this is going to be a VIP type build, give or take, or just whatever you like.
Yeah, whatever I like.
All right.
It's not gonna have the curtains.
Right. All right.
Or the table.
Right.
It's not a slow car.
Well, I mean, yeah. I mean, once you add the neck pillows, I'm like, you're fitting to relax, fitting to, drive slow.
It's more of a GT.
Okay, all right,
Yeah.
I got you. All right.
I want to be comfortable, but
You want to punch it when you want to punch it.
Yeah, when a Charger pull up. Okay.
Yeah. You'll give them some smoke. Okay.
Which they always think they're faster than this car.
Right.
You know, 392s. Those guys are 8.
Oh man, that is funny. So, hold on. Those guys are quick, but they're not fast. That's what someone was telling me on the forum, online.
They're not fast.
So they can get off the line quick, but they won't.
If they burn out, no, they don't get off the line quick.
Okay.
They usually
They spin it and stuff.
No, they spin. Yeah.
Okay.
But plenty of times, I live off of 675. Plenty of times, you see these guys like, oh, let's get this little Infiniti right.
Right.
I
just give them the sauce.
Snap 6?
Yep. That is too much. All right, man. Awesome, Cleve. Very awesome. Yeah. Blow off. Sweet. Yeah, it's all over the place, man. Alright. So we'll see what's under the hood.
Yep.
So you plan to go bigger turbos, or can you do that?
I plan on going E85.
Oh, okay. Alright then. Awesome, man.
And I got downpipes for it by Fast Intentions. But I haven't put them on yet.
Right. Because that's supposed to give you some more power, right?
Yeah.
All right, so we're here with Cleve. We just took a ride in his Q50. Cleve, tell us about the car. What have you done?
It's a 2016 Infiniti Q50 Premium. That's how it started off.
Okay.
The first model, of course, was I had to lower it. It's on RSR coilovers.
Okay.
And I did a still in exhaust at first, still in diffuser.
Okay.
Then I swapped out the whole front fascia to the 2019 Q50 Red Sport.
Nice.
And put a new still in lip kit on there.
Gotcha.
Then I have AMS Performance intakes, AMS Performance coolant expansion, HKS radiator caps, HKS blow-off valves, Z1 silicone hoses, and I have arc exhaust.
Okay.
I have Z-Spec bolts.
Nice.
Yep. And have a JB4 Burger Tuning boost controller.
Okay.
And it has a Bluetooth module where you can swap out the maps.
Nice.
While inside the car.
Nice.
I have a Tommy Kyra
shift knob. Yep.
Shift knob and neck pads. And a Project Mu tissue dispenser in the back. Okay. And I have a GBN rear spoiler.
Okay.
And a Blitz rear diffuser with the fourth brake light.
Okay. Nice. Yeah, I love the kit that you have set up on the outside. And who did the side skirts?
Oh,
No side skirts yet?
that's still in 2.
Still in also.
Yes,
Okay,
still
got
in.
it, got it.
Yeah. Then I have Z1 slotted rotors,
Okay.
and that's
2-piece, 1-piece?
no 1 piece.
Okay.
1 piece.
And all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive. Yes.
Nice. All right. And at some point you're going to put it on the track, see what your quarter mile is with the current mods.
Yes, with the current mods, and I also have F1. Fast Intentions downpipes.
Pending.
Pending.
Gotcha.
And I also have G25 Ray wheels.
Okay.
Yeah.
So super lightweight.
Super lightweight. Gonna throw those on.
Nice.
So eventually I'm gonna go E85, but Brandon's working on my Z, so I'm worried about that one.
Gotcha. Which one's your Z?
It's the 2+2 outside.
Okay, I gotcha. All right. Yeah, well, we took a ride in this car, and it is nice. It was like, what, 441 wheel?
401 to the wheel.
401 to the wheel?
All 4
okay.
wheels, man.
And yeah, that blow-off sound, whoo! Yeah. Granted, it was in the rain, but man, I'm sure you hear it when you're in Mexico.
Yeah. Exactly. On the way to Tijuana.
Right, there you go. We'll just leave it at that.
Okay. And also,
yeah.
I have the burger tuning heat exchanger.
Okay.
You can't see it, but it's actually what during hard running it prevents heat soak.
Right. So that's
up front.
Okay.
So that's why I was able to give continuous rides.
Okay, got it. Yeah, there's a lot of, I guess, aftermarket support going on now for the Qs.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, so that's nice, man. Are you going for any type of records or anything with your build in terms of like
I want to hit
horsepower
500.
or okay?
I want to hit 500.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not being a red sport, but just building it up.
Building it up.
Yeah.
That's why I didn't get the red sport.
Right. I got you. Okay.
So.
Nice, man. And then no drive-by-wire. You don't have that option.
No.
Okay.
That's steer-by-wire.
Yeah, steer-by-wire. Yeah, that's crazy stuff, man.
This is it has no navigation, nothing. They don't even have lane departure. I wanted it as analog as possible.
Yes. Gotcha, man. All right, cool. Well, thank you, Cleve. Definitely enjoyed the little ride. That was awesome. I appreciate it.
Hey, no problem.
And we'll probably see you around, man. Whenever you head into the track, let me know.
I will definitely let you know.
Because we'd like to see that in action. Probably give you a little run or something. I don't know. Just for shits and giggles.
Okay.
Absolutely for shits and giggles.
All right.
But we'll see, man, for sure. All right. Leave Vermont Photo West 2K out. We'll catch you on the next video.